Hey everyone, today I'm back with a fresh update from Higgsfield. The feature I'm bringing you is exciting. Nano Banana Pro is now officially available on Higgsfield. As you may already know, it's their latest advanced image generation model offering highly detailed image editing along with powerful data and UI visualization capabilities. Not only that, Higgsfield now lets you generate images up to 8K resolution using Nano Banana Pro. And here's the best part. There's an ongoing unlimited generation plan for 1 full year if you enroll in this upgrade. So why wait? Let's explore how to use Nano Banana 2 and start generating stunning 4K resolution images. First, navigate to the Nano Banana image generator using the link provided in the description. Now, let's start by generating an image with a random prompt just to see the results. As you can see, the image is highly detailed and comes out in great quality. Now let's try generating some images using prompts with famous actors. Wow, look at this. Unlike the previous versions, Nano Banana now allows you to directly mention the name of a character or even the style of a cartoon to generate accurate, high-quality images. So let's try generating a few more images using prompts with famous actors. Now let's take a look at how accurately Nano Banana can generate images with text and how well it handles image editing features. First, I'm going to generate an image with text and then proceed to edit it. Okay, it generated smoothly. Now let's try changing the word live to magical. Perfect. See how clean and accurate the text editing is? Now let's move on to the image editing features. All right, guys, now I'm going to color grade the photo. As you know, doing proper color grading in software like Photoshop can take quite a bit of time. But with AI, it only takes a minute. Let's see how it performs. First, upload your image, or even multiple images, right here. Then simply type a prompt describing how you want the image to be edited or enhanced. See that, guys? The faded image has been transformed into an amazing photo. Now, let's try a real-life example, just like I usually do. I'll show you how I create a poster or an ad using just 2 photos and a simple prompt. All right, let's upload 2 photos. For this demo, I'm uploading the product image and a background. Then I'll type a simple prompt asking the AI to turn them into a clean, professional advertisement. Great. The advertisement was generated in under a minute, and it's absolutely insane to me. A creative like this would normally take at least an hour to finalize, but here it's done in moments. And the best part, if a client asks for changes, there's no stress, just type a new prompt and send the updated version right back. So guys, I hope you learned something new today. And remember, these are just a few of the things Higgsfield's Nano Banana Pro can do. It can transform images into anime-style videos, turn real people into cartoon characters, and so much more. I'll showcase a few sample results before wrapping up the video.